Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make 2x2 picture in Canva using your phone. First, open Canva, tap the plus sign icon or button, choose custom size, switch the unit to inches, then set both the width and height to 3 inches. This gives you the exact 2x2 canvas. Tap create new design, upload your image from your gallery or uploads, drag it onto the canvas, and resize or crop it to fit the square properly. Make sure the subject is centered and fills the frame nicely. Once everything looks good, tap the download icon to save it to your device. And that's it. You've made a perfect 2x2 photo using Canva on your phone. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.